Some institutions predict that after 2026, it might get harder to find good phones on a 1,000 yuan budget. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also taking up phone hardware. This is the new Note 17 Pro Little King Kong, the latest in the Redmi Note series, which has sold 500 million units. Can it really hold the line for budget phones, and is it actually tough?
Let's get right to it. The standard drop height for a phone is 1.6 meters, and most phones handle that just fine, but this height is about 3 meters. We're dropping it face down, screen against marble floor. Wow, I'm almost afraid to look. Did the screen shatter?
My goodness, the screen is completely intact. The Note 17 Pro uses Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. In the past, this glass was only used on flagship phones costing 4 or 5,000, but now the little Vajra comes with it as standard. If it didn't break after one drop, it might just be a lucky angle. Let's try a second, third, fourth, and fifth time. The Note 17 Pro is truly tough this time. It features flagship-grade screen materials, wraparound frame reinforcement, and dual-strengthened mainboards and mid-frames. Core components like the screen, back cover, mainboard, camera, and battery all have shock-absorbing designs. It has firmly passed the first test. After the drop test, we move straight to the second challenge, the high-pressure water jet.
Come on, take a look.
The Note 17 Pro has already been dropped 5 times in a row from a height of 3 meters. Spraying it with water now is a real challenge because the true test of its water resistance is whether the seals on the frame, back cover, ports, and buttons were compromised by the drops.
The water in the sprinkler truck has run out. Do you think the Note 17 Pro has any water damage? Let's go check. After being sprayed by the water truck, the Note 17 Pro has no water inside. The phone works, the camera works, and the touchscreen works. That is because the Note 17 Pro Little King Kong supports quadruple waterproofing: IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69K.
It doesn't just resist everyday splashes, it covers tougher scenarios like water jets and submersion. The Little King Kong screen is also quite impressive. A 6.83-inch super sunlight display with a peak brightness of 3,500 nits, making it clear even under the sun. For delivery riders and outdoor workers, screen brightness is truly vital for navigation, scanning codes, and replying to messages on the go. It doesn't just solve the issue of visibility, it also considers long-term eye comfort. This screen supports 3,840 Hz high-frequency pulse width modulation dimming and direct current dimming, as well as the in-display ultra-dark mode. It is easy on the eyes under the scorching sun, and it is not glaring when you are scrolling through videos in bed with the lights off at night. Having passed the first 2 rounds, we now move on to the third round, the bowling ball impact. Our bowling ball weighs 13 pounds, and at a normal throw, it hits the phone at about 7.5 meters per second, carrying about 170 joules of kinetic energy. That is roughly equivalent to a 17 kilogram weight dropping from 1 meter. You see, the phone flew off, so the phone does not absorb all the energy. This just simulates a high-speed impact with a hard object in real life. Do you think the phone is still alive? Let's go take a look. Wow, the screen is intact, the back cover is intact, and the glass is intact. The camera and video functions are normal. So the Note 17 Pro Little King Kong has passed this test. This test measures localized instantaneous impact, which is completely different from the 3-meter drop and high-pressure water gun tests earlier. If a phone is not afraid of drops or impacts, then it is a true Little King Kong. The final stage is the battery life test. This is our robotic arm, which will continuously scroll through short videos until the phone shuts down. Under the extreme stress of the robotic arm scrolling through short videos non-stop, the Note 17 Pro actually lasted 28.9 hours. It uses a 9,000 mAh ultra-large battery, paired with 67-watt fast charging and a 5-year battery upgrade guarantee. For heavy phone users, it completely roots out any battery anxiety. After this entire series of tests, looking across all models in this class, it is hard to find another phone that is this balanced and comprehensive. It truly achieves a super clear large screen experience, stronger battery life, and rock-solid durability, reaching an impressive level in every aspect. The Redmi Note 17 Pro Little Vajra has proven with its performance that it is the standard answer for a hardcore budget phone.